In this video, I'm going to show you how to add music to a Facebook photo post using your mobile device. This works on both iPhone and Android. First, open the Facebook app. Tap on your profile icon in the bottom right corner. Then tap your profile name at the top of the screen. Scroll down to the What's on Your Mind section and tap on it. Now choose Photo Video and select the photo you want to upload. Once selected, tap Next. Here you can type in a caption for your post. To add music, tap on the Add Music option. Choose the audio track you want or use the search bar to look for a specific song. When you find the song you want to use, tap on it. You can then drag to select the exact part of the track you want and tap Done. If you don't see the music option, tap Edit in the top left corner. Then select the music icon from the top menu, and you should be able to add a track from there. After you're done editing your post, tap Next in the top right corner. Finally, tap Post to upload it. And that's how you can add music to your Facebook photo posts. Let me know in the comments if this video helped you out.